Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change your profile picture on Meta Business Suite step by step. I'll be showing you this on desktop, but the process works on mobile too. First, head to business.facebook.com and log in. Once you're in, look at the top left corner. If you manage multiple business accounts, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click it and make sure you've selected the correct business account you want to work with. Next, you need to navigate to your Facebook page view. Look down the left-hand navigation menu for your page name under Accounts and click on it to open your page. If you don't see it straight away, you can click the All Tools grid icon in the left menu, then under Engage Audience, select Pages. Now hover your mouse over your current profile picture. You'll see a camera icon appear along with an Edit Profile Picture button. Click that Edit Profile Picture button and a pop-up window will open. In that pop-up, click the Upload Photo button. Your computer's file browser will open, select the image file you want to use, and click Open. Once the image uploads, you'll be taken to the editor. Drag the corners of the bounding box to adjust the crop. Use the slider at the bottom to zoom in or out. Click and drag the image itself to move it around within the frame. Remember, the final result will be circular. You can also add a description here that acts as alt text for accessibility. There's also a checkbox if you want this change to appear as a post on your page's timeline. When you're happy with how it looks, click the Save button. Your profile picture will update almost immediately, though it might take a few minutes to clear caches and appear everywhere across Facebook. If your new picture isn't showing up right away, do a hard refresh. That's Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus R on Mac. If it's still not updating, it's likely a caching issue. Try clearing your browser cache or open your page in an incognito window. This almost always resolves the problem. Thanks for watching.